Movement Monday. Yeah, I know it's Tuesday night. I'm behind a little bit. Things are really busy here at the gym this time of year, but I promise to make it up to you. This exercise is very simple, basic. You can do it anywhere, but it's going to improve every upper body exercise you do, but especially push-ups. I've showed this before, but it's good to be reminded of it. We take our hands, clasp behind the back, down and back stretch. What this is doing is we are stretching the front side and working the back side, in and down. We're engaging the lats specifically. Those muscles right there play a very crucial role, especially in your push-ups, and it's so easy to forget how important the lats are at stabilizing things. So here's my recommendation for you for this week. Take this exercise, practice this daily. Bring your arms back, down, together with the intention of stretching the front, but keeping the back muscles tense, especially your lat. I'm flexing my back. Do it for about 5 to 10 seconds, then do a set of push-ups, making sure to turn on the exact same muscles, the bottom, before pressing yourself on up. Do your normal set, and then while you're stretching and recovering, do it again. This is something that benefits from a lot of volume, being able to really establish that mind-muscle connection back there. Stretching out the front, it's gonna make big changes and make your push-ups a hell of a lot more effective, plus safer for the elbows, the shoulders, more tension in the chest. I could go on, but I'd rather you experience it for yourself. Give it a try. Let me know if you have questions down below. Check out more videos here as well. Be fit, live free.